Hey, as an independent auto repair shop owner, you go online and check your website and check your Google reviews, don't you? Well, stop me if you've heard anything like this. Michael said, good people, good service, reasonable pricing, and he goes on and on and on and says, recommend to all. Ram says, honest, dependable people, and great work at a great price. He goes on to say, would highly recommend. Amica says, have been using the service for quite some time. Goes on to explain what happened during the visit and said, would definitely recommend the service. Michelle said, great family-owned business, awesome job, would recommend to everyone I know. And Matthew said, I would recommend this place to anyone. Sound familiar? You've seen it on your shop. Well, on this video, I'm going to tell you why it doesn't happen and show you how to fix it. So buckle up because we're starting right now. Hey, Matthew here. Welcome back to Car Count Hackers. If you're an independent auto repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and that way you'll get notified every time I upload videos. So I asked you if any of that sounded familiar when you check your reviews. Look, I hear it just about every time I talk to repair shop owners and I look at their websites. They've got great reviews. They're good, honest, hardworking people, and all the people that leave reviews say, I would highly recommend them. And then when I talk to the shop owner, well, nothing happens. So why don't those people leave reviews? Well, I'm going to give you everything right now. Reason number one is, let's face it, nothing happens automatically except bad things. They just seem to happen by themselves. But if you're looking to progress and get more of those good quality customers, they just don't happen automatically. Reason number two, it's not your customer's job. They lead busy lives. They're not there to promote your business. Number three, understand that there's a threshold of risk. Let's face it, they know you and they accept the work that you do, but what if they send you a friend and something goes, well, let's just say, doesn't go well? Because you have to understand that a customer referral is when your customer takes someone that they care about and they send them to somebody they respect. In a nutshell, that's what a customer referral is. So they're putting a lot of faith in the fact that you're going to come through. There is a certain amount of risk involved when somebody steps up to the plate and makes a recommendation. Number four, you're mistakenly thinking that their continued patronage to your shop is like, well, why wouldn't they? Well, don't get caught up in that, because understand, it's a whole lot easier to keep going back somewhere where I might not be totally satisfied than to find another place to get service done. In short, if you think they're going to do it automatically, you're kidding yourself. But reason number five is you don't have a proactive system. You don't have a way that you are actively speaking with your customers to ensure that they're sending you friends, coworkers, and associates. But forget about all that right now, because I know you're going to tell me you get some referrals. So in essence, what you're saying is that regardless of all those stumbling blocks, people do send friends, coworkers, and associates to you as a customer referral. That's great. So they break through all those obstacles, and then what? What does that customer get from you? Well, typically they get some half-hearted thank you or some offer to save more money with you after they spend more money with you, and that's not a reward. In essence, you're not getting the referrals because your customers aren't getting recognition or rewards for sending you their friends, coworkers, and associates. It's pretty much that simple. Look, shop owners I speak to understand that it costs money to get more new customers. But yet when it comes to customer referrals, you have some wild expectation that they should just happen for free. Well, I want to bring you down to earth. It doesn't work that way. Your customers aren't automatically sending you their friends, coworkers, or associates because there's no recognition or reward. There's nothing in it for them. Hey, I got one quick question for you. In the comments down below, if you have problems like this with your customers not referring their friends, coworkers, and associates, just enter the word yes and let me know a little more. If you don't have problems with customers, go ahead and enter the word no in the comments. So I said in this video that you need a system. Well, I could spend 15, 20 minutes going through it, or I'm going to give you this. Right now, you can sign up for my free training course. Links are down below. How to double your car count in 89 days without wasting any of your hard-earned dollars on that money-sucking advertising. Look, I cover everything in that training course. I cover the 3 pillars of car count. I give you the car count cube, which is the exact formula that you need to follow if you're going to do any advertising. And I give you my entire signature profits customer referral system. I give it to you step by step, illustrations and everything. Like, it's simple. Just follow in that video and you'll be on your way. So do that now. Now, if there's something particular you're having a problem with, don't be afraid to go in the links below and hit me up at Ask the Car Count Fixer. That'll get my attention because it comes right into my inbox, and that way we can set up a quick phone call, get on the phone and talk about it, and hey, makes sense, doesn't it? And the third thing I'm going to tell you is, if you're still not sure which way to go with your marketing, I just released a brand new video about 3 simple questions. Look, there's no opt-in, there's no sign-up, you don't have to give me your email address. All I'm going to ask you to do is go to the links below for these 3 questions and just spend 10 or 15 minutes to watch the video. Look, bring a pad and pen. I'm not going to ask you to expose things. I'm going to ask you some very direct questions, and just be honest with yourself, and that will get you started on your way to fix your car count. If you're still hanging around at the end of this video, go over here and watch this video. I expose a truth about new customers that you got to understand. And right after that, there's another video here about whether you should discount or do what. Hey, it's Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. I thank you so much for taking a minute to watch this video. Take care and talk soon.